Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Half Alive here with a song called Beige. So it suits very well for guitar, this song. It's calm and it's pretty easy chords there as well, if you choose to play it with a capo on second. So that's what we're going to look at, capo on second. And with that, we have 6 different chords. So let's go over the chords here. Or actually 5. So let's start with C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the G B chord. That's G chord but with B in bass. That's a transition chord here pretty much for this chord progression. So that will be 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. And then comes the real G here, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F next. That's a bar chord. You place a bar over the 1st fret here, all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And then finally we have A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have this strumming pattern that will go on here in this song. We need to divide it into 2 different parts. So let's take a look with the C here. So I'll grab the C, and then the part 1 will be just down, down, just 2 downs, and that's it. And then the part 2 will be down, down, up. So part 1, down, down, and part 2, down, down, up. So if we connect these 2 parts, it will be down, 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 up. So a couple rounds of it to get the idea of how it sounds with the rhythm and all. Let's listen to that. Alright, so we're ready for the song, and the verse here will be played, or actually the song here will play C, 1 strumming round, then the G, B, 1, and G, 1. So C, G, B, and G, 1 strumming round per chord, and then comes the F, part 1, the down, down only, and then back to G, part 1, down, down. And that is pretty much the most part of the song goes like this. So to remind us here, C1, GB1, G1, then F part 1, and G part 1. Let's take around with that. Let's go. When I do the down down here, the part 1, I play mostly on the bass. I forgot to mention that, but that will sound best. So again, bass, bass, top, 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 bass, bass, top, 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 bass, bass. So there we have it, and I'm gonna mention here we had the A minor. So at about 1 minute and 54 seconds into the song, this chord progression changes just in the beginning. So instead of playing the first C there, you replace that with the A minor. All right, so at that point you're gonna play 2 rounds with the A minor chord progression. Then you're gonna go back to play the chord progression with C. And then about 2 minutes and 48 seconds into the song, you're gonna play it again, and you're gonna play that for 6 rounds, and I believe that's how the song ends. So at 1:54, you play for 2 rounds with A minor, and you go back then to C, and then at 2:48, you go back again to A minor and play for 6 rounds till the very end. And that is pretty much how you handle Half Alive Beige. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope that helped, and if it did, please give me a thumb up there, like, It doesn't cost you anything and helps me a lot there. So thank you for watching and play tuned.